crew, all with different roles to play. Round Tidmouth sheds or far away, down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. Thomas!
He's the cheeky one.
James!
His fame but lots of fun.
Percy!
Pulls a mail on time.
Gordon!
Thunders down the line.
Emily!
Really knows her stuff.
Henry!
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward!
Wants to help and share.